In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Xbox controller to Google Pixel phone. Now, I'm going to be using a PS5 controller for this example, but with an Xbox controller, it's the exact same principle. You just got to put your Xbox controller into pairing mode. So all you want to do is swipe up and find your settings. So I'm going to click on my settings application right here. Then go over to connections, and as you can see, Bluetooth is one of the options. Firstly, go ahead and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then you're going to see available devices, and right now the PS5 controller isn't showing up, and the reason is because the PS5 controller has to be in pairing mode first. So what I want to do is I want to hold down the share button and the power button together. So I'm going to start with holding down the share button, then hold down the power button, and in a few seconds of doing that, as you can see, it's now flashing. So once it's flashing, that means it's in pairing mode. So now all I've got to do is wait for it in available devices. So if I go back to Bluetooth, I just got to wait for it to show up. And as you can see, DualSense wireless controller is now there. Then I just got to click on pairing. And now it's going to be showing that it's pairing. And then it's going to say pair with DualSense wireless controller. Got to click pair right there. Now, as you can see, it's connected. And yeah, it's as simple as that.